Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today I just want to talk about this cool droid rack we just made today. I got bored and I just built this whole droid base, just casual. And I actually found a cool way to display the droids. So you can put your, you can put all your custom, not custom, but more important battle droids, like your commando droids, super battle droids, and even the assassin droids can probably go in there too. Or even droidicas. You can store them here on the bottom shelf, and all your B1s can be folded up and stored on the top shelf like this. 2 top shelves actually. And I don't know, I kind of find this kind of cool, a different way to display these droids. And it kind of looks almost similar to the MTTs when they open up those doors. Really cool. I was gonna build more of these little platforms that come on this trailer, but then I was like, that's not gonna look as cool as these. And I even got some super battle droids in there. I got some commandos and some super battle droids. These are kind of like my not custom, but more unique ones. We got some Geonosis and some jetpack droids. And those are missing pieces. The back one there is the officer. I just put an antenna on him because he's, communication device. And I heard some other droids that we got too. But yeah, so these are the racks. They're actually very simple. I'm gonna show you how you guys can make them. Guys, so here's the rack. So, what you're gonna need is just, you can grab from any Lego parts. You're gonna need some 1x2s or some 2x2s to build up your columns, and you're gonna need some at least 2 wide plates that just span this distance. So you can actually fit 7 battle droids on each row, which makes a total of 14 B1 battle droids. And I think I got about 7 super battle droids underneath right here on the bottom. Okay, and yeah, it's pretty simple. So all you're gonna do is build up each side 6 blocks and run a plate across, and then build up 3 more on each side, the blocks, and then run another plate across. And it could be, I use random little pieces here just to fill it in. It's nothing special, but if you want to use all the same bricks, I'm sure it would look 10 times better. And in the end of the day, you can store all your battle droids on here, and it just adds a cool look to your base. It adds something different to your base, something pretty cool way to store it. And you could even put on these like little hooks and stuff, and add some more greebling and details to the side of your piece. I also kind of want to experiment with some snot technique on the side and maybe add some more details. But overall, I'm pretty happy with this. It's really easy to just find. I used a random bag of bricks that we found here. And I made this in less than a couple minutes. So I just wanted to share this with you guys and give you guys something cool to do at home. Alrighty. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you guys want to check out this warehouse more in more detail. It's a little rough, but it's kind of cool. Thinking of doing a stop motion with it. But anyways, like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, more videos coming soon. Let me know if you guys like the Star Wars Lego content. Thank you. Goodbye.